Welcome, in front of me I have Samsung Galaxy A12 and today I'll show you how you can log out from your Gmail account. So at the first, let's open Gmail, and as you can see currently I have the two accounts, right? So I would like to log out from the second one. So just go and tap to take out the Gmail and then tap on the right upper corner when you have two accounts. Then tap to manage accounts on this device. And simply choose the account that you want to remove. So I'm going for the last one, click on it and then tap to remove. And after a few moments, when you are going back to our Gmail, let's go right here. As you can see, the last account was removed. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.